Join me as I dive into the world of Bitcoin and challenge myself to predict if it can really hit $100,000 by 2025. Bitcoin, the pioneer of cryptocurrencies, has been making headlines for over a decade. As the most valuable and widely recognized digital asset, it's hard to ignore its impact on the global financial landscape. The truth is, the cryptocurrency market is infamous for its unpredictability and volatility. Prices can fluctuate wildly in a matter of minutes, leaving even the most seasoned investors scratching their heads. And when it comes to predicting Bitcoin's price, the task becomes even more daunting. $100,000 by 2025 seems like a lofty goal, and many are skeptical about its feasibility. With so many variables at play, it's challenging to pinpoint a single reason why Bitcoin's price would skyrocket to such heights. Plus, the cryptocurrency market is still largely unregulated, making it vulnerable to external influences. And let's not forget the countless times Bitcoin has faced seemingly insurmountable obstacles, only to bounce back stronger than ever. Despite the uncertainty, it's exciting to consider the possibilities. Maybe, just maybe, the perfect storm of events will come together to propel Bitcoin towards the $100,000 mark. But before we dive deeper into the potential factors driving this growth, it's essential to acknowledge the skepticism surrounding this prediction. Many experts argue that $100,000 is an unrealistic target, citing the cryptocurrency market's tendency to correct itself after significant price jumps. Others point to the lack of mainstream adoption and the limited use cases for Bitcoin, which could hinder its growth. But as we'll explore later, there are also compelling arguments that suggest otherwise. The demand for Bitcoin is increasing, driven in part by institutional investors and central banks exploring its potential. Regulatory changes, albeit slow, are paving the way for more widespread adoption. Technological advancements, such as the Lightning Network, are improving Bitcoin's functionality and scalability. And let's not forget the macroeconomic trends, like the impending recession and inflation, which could lead to increased investment in cryptocurrencies. Some experts believe that the next Bitcoin halving event, scheduled for 2024, will trigger a massive price surge. Others argue that the growing adoption of Bitcoin as a store of value, similar to gold, will drive its price upwards. Then there are those who point to the significant investments in Bitcoin infrastructure, such as the development of sidechains and the improvement of user experiences, as evidence that the cryptocurrency is maturing. On the other hand, critics argue that the cryptocurrency market is still too fragile, and that widespread adoption is still a distant dream. They point to the environmental impact of Bitcoin mining, the lack of transparency, and the prevalence of Ponzi schemes and fraudulent activities. It's a complex and multifaceted debate, with valid arguments on both sides. In conclusion, predicting Bitcoin's price is a precarious task, and the possibility of it reaching $100,000 by 2025 is shrouded in uncertainty. While there are compelling arguments for and against this prediction, it's clear that the cryptocurrency market is full of surprises. So, what do you think? Can Bitcoin really hit $100,000 by 2025? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to check out my other videos exploring the world of cryptocurrencies.